And we're going to begin with the outside leg, just lifting it out to the side, just a little bit. Just take it out to the side. My toes are pointing toward you. So just lift that a few times. Maybe this time just leave it right there at its highest point for you. And you can even pulse it maybe 2 or 3 times and bring it back in. And just shake that out. This time, taking that same leg out, point your toes out, so like a pigeon foot, and lift again. This actually works a different muscle. It's subtle, but maybe you can feel it more in the quadricep now that you're facing this way. Once or twice more. And bring it down, shake it out. One more toe position, so taking your foot out to the side, best as you can, turn your toes in, like pigeon-toed. And now lifting to the side, so it's actually your heel that's coming up first. You can have a small bend in the other knee if it's starting to feel locked. Once or twice more, and bring that down, shake it out. And we'll do that same thing to the other side. So bringing your chair around to the other side. Holding on for support, taking this outside leg and just lifting it out to the side. The toes are pointing toward me. A few times, just take notice. Let's be mindful. What muscles do you feel working? You should feel this outer thigh muscle, and your hip is lifting in support. One more time, bring it down, you can shake it out. This time taking it out and turn your toes away from you, so like a pigeon pose. And let's lift it a few times. Oh yes, you can feel that, and you can feel it in your strong straight leg too. One more, and bring it down, shake that out. Because the leg that we're supporting ourselves with is doing a lot of work just to keep us standing tall and strong. So one more toe position, taking that foot out, turn your toes in as best as you can, little pigeon toe, and then lifting a few times. Where do you feel that? You might feel that rotation now more in the outer hip. Just notice. One more time. And bringing it down, let's shake that out. And that's it. Take 5 yoga, 5 minutes of mat-free yoga for beginners and gentle yogis. If you'd like to learn more about my midlife yoga program, please visit my website, www.youarerightontime.com. I'll see you for our next episode of Take 5 Yoga. And until then, I wish you Namaste and peace.